Hi guys, this is Mary. Welcome back to Cardz TV. As I told you in the last video where I showed you this adorable kit called Card Making Workshop Your Way, Choose to Shine. This is from close to my heart. We're going to make 2 cards today. Now, you can make these 2 cards if you'd like to. All the instructions are inside, and there's enough supplies in this kit to make 6 of each. But I like to do my own thing, so that's what I'm going to do today. So let's get started. For the first card, I took a piece of the white cardstock that comes in the kit, and I cut it at 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I scored it at 2 3/4 and folded it just like this. Then for the front, I cut a piece of the paper that comes in the kit, and you can see this is the back side. So for this front flap, this piece is 2 1/2 by 3 7/8, and the piece for the inside of the card is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. I'm going to grab my art glitter glue and get all this attached to my card base. Here's my card base. I love the papers that come in this kit. They're so bright and cheerful and great for get well cards, which is what this one's going to be, or just any kind of a spring card or even a happy birthday. They're just so bright and cheery. Now for the inside of this card, I cut a piece of the white cardstock that comes in the kit, and I cut this at 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. Down here in this bottom right corner, I used the little stamp set that comes with the kit, and here's this cute little heart right here. I had some pale blue ink, and I stamped the little heart right down here. And for the sentiment, wishing you a speedy recovery, that came from the Cardz TV Heartfelt Wishes set. There it is right there. So I'm going to get this right here on the inside, and I'm going to scoot it over so when this is closed, you won't see it. There's the inside all finished. This is a really quick card, guys. Now for the front, I cut this scallop stitched oval, and for that I used an unbranded die. And you can see I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo black ink, just a note to brighten your day and chase the clouds away. That is on the cute little stamp set that comes with this kit. I also used the butterfly, and I used that tiny little dot. Instead of using enamel dots, I just stamped some dots on there, and I used some more of that pale blue ink. And I'm going to put some art glitter glue on just this half and get that attached to the front. Here's our first card all finished. I think it turned out so pretty and cheery. Just a note to brighten your day and chase the clouds away with that pretty little butterfly and those little dots, and inside wishing you a speedy recovery. For this card I used one of the card bases that comes in the kit, and I cut a piece of that beautiful flowered paper. Remember, this is the back side. And I cut this at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to get this on the front. And then I took that little red and white gingham strip, and I cut 2 pieces at 4 inches. And I'm going to put one here and one right here. Okay, that's all ready. Now, to go on top of this, I cut a piece of the white cardstock, and I did a lot of stamping for this one. But this piece of white cardstock is 2 1/2 by 2 7/8. Yeah. And I cut a piece of the reverse side of the flowered paper to go behind it. And this is 2 3/4 by 3 1/4. I'm going to get this adhered together with the art glitter glue and put this on some foam tape, and then I'll tell you about the stamping. Okay, here's this cute little card all finished. I did a lot of stamping on this one using the stamp set that comes in the kit. And let me show you what I did. I took the stitch circle, and right up here I stamped it in a pale blue. And I also used this little dot again and put some little dots on here. Then I took Choose To and Shine and stamped them on there with some Memento Tuxedo Black. Then down here you see the little grassy border. I stamped that with some Memento Cottage Ivy. And for the stems and leaves of the flowers, I used Memento Pear Tart. This little flower I stamped in Cantaloupe. And here are the stems, and here are the two flowers. This flower and this flower, I used Lilac Posies. And this little flower was Ladybug Red in Memento. So I think I used everything on the stamp set except the little banner. And I will definitely be using that in the future. But I've got this popped up on some foam tape for a little bit of dimension. And here are my two cards, guys, that I made with the Close to My Heart Workshop Your Way card making kit called Choose to Shine. Now, as always, I'm going to have a link under this video on my blog as well as here on YouTube, so you can go and pick up this set from Linda, who's a Close to My Heart consultant. And she will hook you up with this, and you'll be having fun making these cards as well. And like I said, you can do the two that they give you the instructions for, or you can do these two that I made. Either way, you're going to have lots of fun, guys. So thanks so much for coming by today, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.